what it is. That's your old friend Ed from the ranch. So today I was just going to do a little video, and then I came across something on this little Mazda pickup that I'm working on, and it kind of made me think, I need to do a video. This is hilarious. So this goes back to a lot of phone calls I get. Can you come tow my car? It won't start. I got a new battery in it. My uncle, you know my uncle, he's a mechanic. Oh, he is? Why you calling me? Oh, well, he's a street mechanic. Oh, street mechanic. Where's he work at? Oh, he work up in the city on the street? Oh, okay, okay. Somebody needs to break the street mechanic's hands off. So, this one here starts sometimes it don't start. So I found the battery cables were really rigged up. Come, I'll show you. It's quite interesting. So, that's the negative. This is the positive. So they have this jerry-rigged deal here over to this little piece of wire, which is jerry-rigged with a cable clamp. That's a cable clamp for like wire rope, not a cable clamp for battery cables. So I guess the uncle, street mechanic, he was in the store seeing cable clamp, went, oh yeah, this work good. No, that's not going to work. And another thing I see a lot of times on cars, actually I see more than once, are these pieces of garbage. Now, this here is a piece of garbage. This is good if you're taking it to the auction. Other than that, that thing is garbage. Don't use those things. You'll cause yourself more headaches, cars that won't start, stuff that don't work. Today's cars need a full 12 volts. And another thing I'll add to that too, that people, for some reason, battery's dead. I don't know, let's just pull one out of the hair. 2011 Hyundai. Well, yeah, I left it running for 2-3 hours. Battery be fully charged. No, today's alternators are not designed to bring a dead battery back to life. You burn alternators up, and the battery's still going to be no good. But anyway, that's a topic for another story. I'm not getting on that today. I just was talking about battery cables, and when I seen that battery clamp, I went, amazing. So look, I'm going to get back to it. I'm going to solder a new one on there. It's a little cold up in this piece. I didn't turn the heat on because I'm only going to be out here another hour. And then I'm calling it a night. So you all keep it reals, and I'll catch you on the next one.